Hi everyone, I am Gus. Welcome to Leather Minute from Craftsman Gus. Today video I will demonstrate you how to do the rivets details in both like flat base or regular base like this. And let's see about the tools. First of all, you need the rivets. It's come in set with the male and female set. The hole puncher, setter, steel hammer. I use a plier too. First of all, you might need to consider the diameter of the rivet as per design you like. But then the more important thing is the thickness. It is not the height of its pole, but it's the gap, the height of the gap in between this one. See, this gap is about 6 to 7 mm. Let's see if it matches the single layer leather or not. If show like this, it's going to be too tall, too high to hit on it. It will be bent. As for example, this one, 2 layer of 1.8 mm leather. Snap it on and it will leave about 1 to 1.5 millimeters. It is perfectly fine. This is good. So first I get the leather. This from the glue episode. Okay, this 2 layer of leather, and I use the hole puncher like this one. Just wanna clap here. 1, 2, 3. The hole. I pick the rivet here. This one set here. Okay, I may use the plier help it close. Yeah, better close. Then setter, the base. I put the base here and I put the top part here, and then I make the hit on it like done. See that? And I will show you another type of hitting if you prefer the flat on the base. On this and put the base on it, and I just need to squeeze it, put it down. Yep. I need the flat surface of the setter like this, and then I put here the hit on it. Here we are. See, this one is flat, this one is regular. Making some belt need the flat surface on the back end. So you can see how to make installation of the rivet from this short video. Hope this can help. And if you are new to my channel, you can click subscribe, hit the bell icon and click like. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.